This is amazing. I don't know if you can see very well because of the water that may get on my lens. It is spraying out here, so I'm walking across the road. The old guy over there. And there, it's coming down. Isn't that beautiful? Coming down the mountain, going under the bridge, and coming out the other side. And we were just driving down the road, that road right there, and saw it. And then we found a little path that led to it. Isn't that cool? Well, there's the old guy taking pictures. He loves to take pictures. I'm at home now editing my videos, and this next clip I got for you is really cool because I did a little slow-mo with the waterfall, and guess what I caught? In my screen, there's a bird that flies across during the slow motion part. See if you can catch him. I'm not sure if you can see that, but straight ahead of me is maybe a moose. I am not sure. Or maybe it's a free-range animal like a horse or a cow. It just disappeared from my view. But old guy is taking a picture of it because he's walking over there to do so. Well, I'm ruling out a horse or a cow because of this animal's ears. I'm going to hope that the animal will pop up again. There. It does look very moose-ish to me. Definitely not a horse or a cow. He has big ears. Look at those ears. Can you see them? Yep. Sure does look like it to me. He's right out here in the wild. It may be a girl moose though, because I don't see any antlers. So we'll call her a she. You see? Awesome. There's the leg that I always remember. Looks like a moose leg. That is so awesome. Moose in the wild. This is a moose in the wild. Sure looks like a moose to me. What do you think, old guy? It's a moose.
It's a moose too.
And it's just sitting there in the wild. Everybody was taking pictures and we stopped, and lo and behold, it sure does look like a moose. Old guy's going to try to get you a picture a little bit closer. He likes those leaves that he's eating. There's the moose running away. You see him? He's decided to go somewhere else. I don't know what happened to the lighting on this thing, but I still see the moose. There, I corrected the lighting. Can you see him? He's right there. I've got the video up as high as I can get it, but that tree is quite a distance away. That is really, really awesome. Let's see if he'll run again. He's walking for us. He's going, what's all the fuss?
Now go back.
So now we are entering Yellowstone National Park. Woohoo! Woohoo!